Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the fingerprint button flex on the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. Place the back side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage the internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic cartwright tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the camera lens and frame using a bright tool. Next, undo the 16 screws in the mid frame and then eject the SIM tray. Next, use a plastic cartwright tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. This process will take time. While pulling out the frame, be gentle. The fingerprint button flex is attached to the mid frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, unplug the fingerprint button connector from the logic board to release the mid frame from the body. The fingerprint button is located in the mid frame. Next, gently pull out the button bracket using a tweezer. Next, pull out the networking power and fingerprint button from the frame. Next, secure the new power and fingerprint button on the frame. Next, secure the button bracket into the slot. Next, connect the fingerprint button flex. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the mid frame by adding 16 screws. Next, secure the camera lens frame on the mid frame. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.